Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Actually, the reason of making this channel is to spread awareness about the international scholarship, internships, and many other opportunities. So, first of all, I will discuss you about World Youth Forum 2022 in Egypt that is fully funded. So, let's take a look on this World Youth Forum. Okay, details about World Youth Forum 2022. So, this will be hosted in country Egypt. The place is Sharm el Sheikh. So the number of participants are 5,000. The duration is of World Youth Forum is 10 to 13 January 2022. Financial coverage that is fully funded and the deadline is 15 December 2021. So let's take a look on financial coverage. So you have round airfare ticket from your nearest hub to Egypt, including your domestic flights within Egypt and full free accommodation during the event by the World Youth Forum. Further transportation is provided from and to the airport visa free. World Youth Forum offers you a variety of options. Participant within any academic discipline are eligible to apply. So it means that whether you are background from electrical or BBA or medical or computer science, you can apply, and there are no academic or CGPA requirements because it's not an academic, it's a leadership program. So you must avail this opportunity whether you have your CGPA 2.1, 2.5, 3.1 or 3.7. You must avail this opportunity. You can attend the event as an attendee, a speaker, a model participant, a workshop participant, and many more depending on the event. The forum topics are include climate change, social security, human rights, post-COVID effects, distance learning, future of energy, entrepreneurship, technology and 5G, digital transformation. These are the topic of World Youth Forum. And eligibility criteria. It is open to all youth of all nations between the ages of 18 to 40 years old. Youth that is influential in their communities and areas of studies are also encouraged to apply. You can attend World Youth Forum as an attendee, a normal participant as a youth, a speaker, a model participant, a workshop participant, or a World Youth Theatre participant. So registration steps are these are total 9 steps. Fill in your basic information. Step 2, verify your email, complete your profile, get your account approved, receive your e-invitation. So these are the 9 steps that you must have to take to while applying for Egyptian World Youth Forum 2022. Step 1 is fill in your basic information. Step 2 is verify your email. Step 3, complete your profile. Step 4, get your account approved. Step 5, receive your e-invitation. Step 6 is that choose your desired flight dates. Step 7, receive your e-ticket. Step 8, apply for visa. Step 9 is receive your accommodation details. These are the total 9 steps that you must have to follow these steps step by step. Okay, the one most important thing, deadline is 15 December 2021. So you must have to put a reminder on your mobile phone of 15 December 2021. So you must have to apply before 15 December 2021. So now we go to visit the official website. Okay, so here I already have registered myself, so I directly go to member login. Here I put my email and my password. After that, sign in. You can see here I uploaded my profile photo, and after that I completed my documents, my education, my job, my interest, my emergency contact number. After completing, you can see here my profile is complete, your profile is complete. So after completing this step, you go to here WYF events. Here you can see that it's showing ongoing, so you must click on here. After that, apply. So this is the simple form. First of all, they ask you why should I attend World Youth Forum 2021. So you have to describe a little bit. After that, how did you know about us? So you must either you know about website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You must click on that. Are you vaccinated? so you must be vaccinated. First of I have done my first dose, so I have click on yes first dose. After that, you must have to tell them whether you are vaccinated from Pfizer, Sinovac or Sinopharm. So I have vaccinated from Sinovac. So in which country do you take your vaccination? I'm from Pakistan, so I have definitely vaccinated from Pakistan. When was your first dose? So uh, you must have to return date. When was your second dose? After completing this step, please upload your proof of vaccination. So you must have to attach file here. After these steps, have you been infected with COVID-19 in the past 6 months? If you have not affected, so must click on never been affected. Do you have any medical condition? If you have not, so just click on no. In case yes, please state your medical condition. Okay, if you have any medical condition, you have to put description here. And okay, check this if you are pregnant woman only. So if this is for only pregnant woman, if they are pregnant, they yes, no, they just simply click on no. After this step, you have to submit this, and you will be registered. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, like, and subscribe this video. And if you have any question related to this program, please comment on the comment section and tell me about your further uh, scholarship and internship. Thank you so much. Stay happy and stay blessed. Allah nehege bahan.